TarantulaDan here. I'd like to thank you for taking the time for checking out my channel, and of course this video, it does mean a lot to me that you take the time to do so. I'd like to give a special thank you to futurefoodshop.com for supporting and sponsoring this video. It does mean a lot to me that they would reach out to me and ask me to do this. So I am very excited by this and I hope you'll enjoy it. So they very kindly sent me this box here, and I will be cooking, eating and reviewing the products inside, and hopefully some of you would like to go and check out their website. Links to that will be in the description. And until the 30th of April 2018, you can use the discount code, which I shall put here, and you can get 10% off on orders over £15. So I would definitely recommend you going and checking out their website to see what they have. They have a good variety of foods there, and if you do buy anything within the time frame, please use the code and you can save yourself a bit of money. Okay then, that said, let's have a look at what's inside the box. Okay then, so you've had a quick look at what was in the box. I'm going to very quickly explain what they are and then we'll get into cooking them. So the first thing I would like to show you is the main thing that I'm going to be reviewing in this box, and that is this. This is cricket pasta. Now, I love pasta, I eat it all the time, probably too much, but it's not good for you as such. It is just starch and carbohydrates. There's no nutritional benefit to eating pasta, so to speak. However, this is a superfood which has 20% cricket flour inside, or it's made from cricket flour, which is obviously ground crickets. It's high in protein, vitamin B12 and a source of fibre and iron. So actually by eating this, it is good for you and will actually, you know, do you good to eat. This box is 350 grams. It tells you on the back the nutritional information. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, this stuff is really, really good for you. So on the back of this box it says the following: cricket pasta is a superfood, and here are some examples of the benefits. Protein contributes to the maintenance of muscle mass, vitamins B12 contributes to the normal functioning of the nervous system, and iron contributes to the normal oxygen circulation in the body. It then goes on to say that crickets as a food revolution, the Western world is discovering the nutritional properties of insects. According to experts, insects are the protein of the future. Crickets in particular have an exceptional nutritional content. Up to 70% of their weight is protein, and that's more than double the amount of a cow. They also provide crucial nutrients for our bodies as fibre and vitamin B12. Our crickets come from controlled farms and their feed does not contain any chemical or pharmaceutical products. So it is just pure sort of gut-fed crickets. They are good for you. There's no chemicals, no nastiness inside these at all. At the forefront of sustainability, crickets are the animal protein source with the lowest impact on the environment. They release 80% less methane than cattle, and they require much less feed than any other farm animal. They need 1,000 times less water than cows, and they are considered by the United Nations FAO as the best ways to ensure food security. So this is the main product that I will be reviewing in this video. I will be doing a second video using this with some other products down here, and there will be a third video on the other set of products that I have. So if you are interested in checking this out, please head on over to futurefoodshop.com and use the promo code, which I'll put at the bottom here, and you can get 10% off orders over £15 until the 30th of April 2018. So it's definitely worth checking out. So the second thing that I got in the box, which I will be reviewing alongside the Absolutely cricket pasta, is this bag of mixed critters. Now these are basically good to nibble on or for cooking. So for the second video, I'll be cooking these as the protein with the cricket pasta as a meal. So basically just a bug dish, and I'm looking forward to eating those. And then the third video will be the other products. So of course I have this bag of insects. This is purely a bag of just dried insects, which I will be eating and enjoying. I have this cricket super bar, which is kind of, I would imagine it's kind of like a chocolate Rice Krispie cake, and I have a if you ever have sort of crickets and chocolate, that is genuinely what it tastes like. So yeah, looking forward to trying that one. And then the final product are these Jimmy's crickets, fruity curry, salt and vinegar, and Greek spices. And what we're doing with those three, the chocolate bar and the other bags, I'll be going around and I have people that I know that are willing to try some of these on camera. So rather than just having my review, you'll be having the opinions of other people as to what they think about them. So now you know what the structure of this is going to be, I'm going to crack on with the cooking. So I'm going to be doing a chicken carbonara using half of this pasta, and I hope you will enjoy it. Okay then, so that's the cooking done. I just did a very simple chicken carbonara. I didn't sort of show that off. Carbonara is easy to do, and I'm sure everyone knows how to cook chicken. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks nice, smells wonderful. And I get plenty of pasta, bit of sauce. You wouldn't even know that that's made in crickets, honestly. The pasta itself just tastes like pasta. It's got a, I would say, a very slight change of taste to pasta, but actually I would honestly say not because I'm reviewing it, but taste-wise, I probably prefer it. So my girlfriend, she sort of sat here, has been watching me, and she's gonna try some, and she's gonna give her honest opinion as to what she thinks of it. She's just chewing. No?
It's the same.
But if you
couldn't tell, no. Oh.
Yeah, I mean, she kind of had a, she looked a little bit squeamish, sort of trying that then. But if you didn't know that that would make them crickets, you wouldn't know, would you? To be fair. So yeah, I genuinely enjoy this. I mean, I will finish this off. I'm certainly not going to be wasting any. So I'm just sort of in the middle of finishing the pasta off. Kim's currently having a bit of a munch. Seem to like it? Yeah, Kim likes it. No, it's really good. I honestly do, I do like this product, and I will definitely be buying some personally myself. Say you wouldn't know what's in it via the taste or the smells or anything like that. And of course, a huge thank you to futurefoodshop.com for supplying me with this product and the others I will be reviewing in the next videos. I'll be doing 3 of their products. I hope you enjoy them. Please check out their website, which will be linked in the description to this video. Again, don't forget to use the promo code TarantulaDan10, which I'll put along the bottom. You can get a 10% discount on that for orders over £15. So you know, save yourself a bit of money and check it out. So with that said, thank you for watching this, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you will join me in the next video.